Hi guys, this is Eva. Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I'm here in Eaton Canyon waterfalls. Yeah, there you go. Beautiful. Here's the sign. So you can go either way. You can go this way. I met these two ladies here. They're from San Jose. Wow, you can actually hear the water right there. It's always been dried. So even if you take this trail, I'll take you to a single trail. Anyways, uh-oh, water might be high. Okay. Wow. It's nice to see that water in here. I've been hiking these trails. This is the first time I see the water in the wash. So let's see. And I didn't bring my water shoes. Allah. Okay, everyone's gonna go figure out how we go across. Yeah, I think this is a little bit better. Okay. There's a lot of water up there. Yeah, that's okay. Shoes off. Yeah, but it's colder if you get your shoes. So we are. Oh my God, it's cold. Oh shoot. Go ahead. You can go first. Oh wow. Huh. Holy shit, this is an adventure. Yeah, just follow this one. Oh. We made it. Yeah, we just survived crossing that little river. Shoot, it was cold. So if you guys been to Eaton Falls, we used to go to that side, but it's very hard to cross, so we had to cross here. I met these young kids and then we all crossed from that wash. So yeah, now it's right by the entrance. I mean the first wash that you're gonna run into, that it was dry before, now it's river. I'm here in the junction now. I saw the sign and you have to make a left, and let's just hope that the wash doesn't go deeper when I come back. So that was an adventure. Crossing that wash. We had to look for some place like it's a little bit rocky, so that we can step up. Okay guys, let's get going. Even the trail, they look different because of the rain. So I'm gonna go rush a little bit, guys, and I'll see you in my next river crossing. It's really a beautiful day. So ayan o, nabiak yung trail. So you don't want to go to the canyon walnut canyon. You want to keep on going on your left to the waterfall. Ningal ako. Grabe. Oh my goodness. Wow. About to collapse. I ran in with people. Give me an idea how to cross, because they told me it's deeper ahead. So I'm ready for it. Just like being kid again. So, and I wish I brought two of these, but it should help. So as you can see, the trail is broken. So I'm halfway. All right, guys. It's a mix. It's a mixed advices. Some people think it was easy. Some people think it was hard for them. So let's see. A group of people just told me that you can't really cross into the waterfalls. So I'm feeling a little, I don't know. We'll see. So I told you, it's mixed info. I ran in with a local guy, you know, that people that live around here. He told me, don't give up. You can get there. You have a good shoes. You have the stick. So just be careful. That's what he said. So looks how much water we have here. Yeah. Wow. Like 20 times than it used to. So I'm less than a mile away. So like they said, you have to see it to believe it, right? So I'm gonna keep going. I didn't drive here for almost an hour just not to see the waterfall. This is another junction or crossing. That one will take you to the bridge, and this is goes to the waterfall. It's half a mile. There you go. So ito na ang mga taweran. So yeah, almost at the waterfall. So I secured all my electronics here in my wallet, and I'm just gonna have my yeah, this is the third crossing, so I just walk barefooted, so I don't have to remove it and put it on. I just be careful and, you know. So it was challenging, the hike. It used to be very easy hike for me, but not today. I'm still dry on the top. So yeah, I have probably 4 more crossing to go. Exactly why you want to wear good hiking shoes here, guys. Look at that. I wear my high tops. So because it's about half a mile, it's a rocky, a lot of rocks. This is nothing yet. There's more to come. That crossing here is a little bit challenging, so I have to really look where to cross. So I normally cross here, but we'll see. People crossing on the side, I don't know. So yeah, it's because that trail here is very steep. So happened here, but these rocks wasn't like this before. Wow, look at that beautiful beach. I just have to find a way to cross it. Oh, it's not bad. So oh my goodness, I've never seen this so much water. It's beautiful. I am using my iPhone because I'm charging my camera to use it later. I'm almost there. It just kind of I have to take my time and see where to cross. That's why it take me like a long time to get here, because some of the wash, it look like it's not deep, but when you get there it's deep. So yeah, I'm almost there. Crazy, it's crazy, but it's nice. So another crossing, and I'm actually almost there. 2 more crossing. So I'm gonna go see where to cross. It's gonna be a little bit harder to cross here. So I have to be careful. So I made it to the last crossing. If you guys gonna come here, just do one step at a time. This one here, I stand there for, I tried 3 crossing and I didn't think it was safe, so I end up crossing on that side there. This one here, it's shorter than going all the way on. So yeah, it's beautiful. Now let's go to the waterfall. I'm all charged up. Oh, I was wrong. Oh my God. Hi. Here's the kids that I went to cross with. Guys, I got 1 more crossing. So before the water, look at that waterfall. Gee, I was wrong. I got 1 more crossing. Wow, look at that. Oh my God. Woo! Oh my God. Wow. Look at that. It's worth climbing. It's worth climbing up here.
This is my second time coming.
Yeah.
But it was like a year ago and not this much water at all.
Yeah, sorry, I'm like, yeah, I was here in the spring. I was disappointed. It was bad. Oh my God. Look at that. Wow. The water just splashed all over you. Oh my God, guys, it's worth climbing. I'm telling you. I've been to this trail many times, and this is the best one. Look, make sure you wear your hiking shoes and stick. So, oh my God. Wow. I'm gonna have lunch in a minute. Yeah. Right there.